So it's mid-December and I'm going to plant out some peppers. Months out of season. Let's show you how. My peppers will live in here for the next few months. Nice and warm, 25 to 30 degrees with lots and lots of daylight. About 14 hours of daylight per day. All powered by the wind up above. So when we talk about seasons, what we're really talking about is daylight hours and temperature. Plants have no way of sensing what time of year it is, but they absolutely can sense temperature change and changes to the daylight hours. And we can manipulate that indoors. With the essential kit, my special screw that I use for poking holes, and more importantly, seeds, coffee and cake. After drilling the holes with my screw, I'm going to plant 2 seeds per pot. I plant extra seeds per pot so I can weed out any weaklings and ensure that all of my plants are strong. From there, I move them to the heated mats inside my grow room. Pepper plants, they love heat. They absolutely love the stuff. So what I tend to do to start them off, I get my grow mats, I put my trays on my grow mats, I add some water to the trays, like so. And then my little plants, well, little seeds, they sit on top. And the trays then suck up the water. I might give them a little drop more water to make sure the soil initially gets a good dousing. I then cover them over because I want the humidity really, really high to germinate the seeds. Why don't you give us a follow and then pop back in a few months to see how these peppers are getting along. Have a great day.